In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam Too Many Login Failures error in just 5 minutes. If you've been locked out of your Steam account due to this frustrating message, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a few simple steps to get you back into your games quickly. Let's get started with something simple. The first thing you'll want to do is exit your Steam app completely. Make sure that the application is not running in the background, as this might interfere with the process of resolving the error. To do this, securely close Steam by clicking on the exit button, or by using the task manager on Windows or the activity monitor on Mac to ensure it's fully shut down. Now, after exiting Steam, restart your computer. A fresh boot can sometimes work wonders in resolving temporary network issues and application glitches. Once your computer is back on, go ahead and launch Steam again to see if the problem has been resolved. If you're still facing the login error, don't worry, there's more we can try. Right click on your Steam shortcut from the desktop or wherever it's located on your computer. A menu should pop up. From this menu, select Properties. This opens up a window where you can modify some settings specific to how the application opens. In the Properties window, navigate to the Shortcut tab. This is where we'll make a small but crucial modification. Locate the target field within this tab. This field contains the path that your computer follows to open Steam. At the very end of this line, we're going to append a bit of text. Type a space after the existing text in the target field, and then input this command, login nor react login, without the quotes. This command aims to bypass some verification steps that might be causing the login issues. After you've added that text, go ahead and click apply to save the changes, then hit OK to close out of properties. These changes adjust the way your Steam application attempts to connect to the server, hopefully resolving the login error. With these modifications in place, try running Steam one more time, launch the application, and fingers crossed you should be greeted with your library of games, free from the too many login failures error. If all went well, you should be back in action and ready to dive back into your favourite games. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips and tricks. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video.